talking to Santa, and he told me everything that you want this year. I went shopping and planning, ribbons and candles, I got it all right here. Mistletoe and champagne, I'll pour it on Christmas morning. Everything on your list, it's waiting if you go looking for it. I know you'll adore it, your favorite gift. You can find me under the tree, I'll be waiting on Christmas Eve.
So we're not expecting a cold Christmas this time. No snow. So from the parking area, we're gonna go here. There's a tunnel that we're gonna pass through. It's kind of cold here inside. So we're going to Petite France passage that we went through, and then at the back of it is the parking. I can still remember 2 years ago when we were here in this area, it was also like decorated. Actually planning to stay here until 8 in the evening when it's completely dark, so we could also see the lights. And as you can see, it's slowly getting darker now, and the lights are also more beautiful. So we're here at some kind of random spot. It's high tide right now. We already passed through that bridge earlier, I guess, and then we went directly to this shopping street. That's so beautiful. Oh, it's so beautiful here. Can we stay overnight here? Huh? we don't want to go home now. We don't want to go home anymore. So another round of blue vine.
Non, nous, c'est taille unique. Ouais.
Ça fait 18 euros s'il vous plaît.
En passant.
J'ai 10 euros s'il vous plaît.
Bisous à la famille.
Excusez-moi, je peux tomber mon gant. Il a vos pieds. Pardon.
Cross. Oh, this is yummy. I'm gonna take this. Welche? Das? We're still here. I don't know how many hours we've been here already roaming around. My feet hurts, but it's just so lovely here, no? Do you want to go home now or not yet? No, I don't want to go home. It's beautiful here, you guys. He wants to buy something for the kitchen. Adulting stuffs. How lovely here. Sige na, again, right?